In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete messages on Airbnb. First, open the Airbnb app or website and make sure you're logged in. Next, go to your profile icon, click on it, and from the list, choose Messages. This will open your conversations with hosts or guests. Now, as you can see, I don't have any messages to delete, but if you have, you should be able to see all of them here. Then choose the conversation you want to manage. Inside the chat, look for the three-dot menu or the More Options button in the top right corner. Tap it, then select Archive or Delete Conversation, depending on your version. On some accounts, Airbnb only allows archiving instead of fully deleting. Archiving hides the conversation from your inbox, but keeps it stored if you ever need it again. Confirm your choice, and the message thread will be removed from your inbox immediately. And that's it. That's how you delete messages on Airbnb. Thanks for watching.